Obviously this is not good, and when you actually run the car, right now I have my pinion taken off, but when you actually run the car, it is not running very fast, and it takes a lot of work. Your motor gets very hot. So the problem here actually is not in your motor, it's on the bushing. What happens is the bushing wears out and it just moves, so then this shaft right here just moves up and down, causing the whole motor to sound that way. So to take off the motor, you just remove these two screws right here and right there. Simply just take it out. Alright, now that you've taken out the motor, just undo these two little connections. Just pull apart by the bases of the wires. I'll show you. Just grab right there, pull apart. Comes right off. And so, what's actually wrong, as you can see, there's a space right about there. And what you can actually do is move that shaft back and forth. Mine is pretty bad, so you can easily see it, but obviously the worse it is, the worse the car is going to sound. So to fix this, all you have to do is get a new motor. Kind of a bummer. For temporary fixes, you can put some oil or a little grease in there, but that's only going to be a temporary fix. But you're going to need a new motor. It means your motor's shot. Hopefully this helps. Like and subscribe.